the most amazing Caesar salad dressing recipe, vegan or not. I mean, I can't even enjoy my store-bought ranch or Caesar dressings anymore because this recipe has just ruined my taste buds for anything else right now. And it's everything a Caesar salad dressing should be. It's complex, tangy, salty, and umami. I swear if you try this, not only will you want to eat Caesar salads every day, but you'll also want to dip your veggies and whatever else you eat in it too. I am in love with this recipe. Look how mouthwatering this Caesar salad looks. And it's super easy to make, no blender required. So let's whip up some of this tasty ass dressing. Start with 1 cup of mayonnaise. I'm using Vegenaise by Follow Your Heart. Add in a healthy tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And then add in 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Lemon works too, I just prefer the lime in this recipe. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce. Then, in place of anchovies, I'm using 1.5 teaspoons of miso, and you can even buy it gluten-free if you need to. Now let's add in 1.5 teaspoons of Kalamata olive brine. And just give it a gentle whisk until we have a smooth texture. Next, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of Nutritional yeast. Now, let's throw in 3/4 teaspoon of garlic. I like using powdered garlic because the brand I buy has a subtle roasted flavor, but you can use fresh chopped or even jarred garlic if you want. Then it needs about a 1/2 teaspoon of culinary sulfur salt to replace the eggs, and we'll top it off with about a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper. Whisk it again to blend thoroughly and be prepared to be wowed by this delicious epic Caesar salad dressing recipe. Congratulations, you just leveled up your cooking skill. Subscribe to the channel for more tasty treasures like this one. Be sure to like, comment, and share as well. And I'll see you again soon for more taste bud tantalizing goodness. Thank you for watching.